Welcome to 4th Industrial Avenue, your gateway to tomorrow's tech today. Today, we're unraveling the world of investing in digital real estate, unstoppable domains. Imagine a world where you can own a piece of the digital landscape, similar to owning a plot of land in the physical world. This is the unique opportunity that unstoppable domains presents. It's an investment in blockchain-based domain names, a concept that's revolutionizing the digital space. These domains are akin to digital real estate, each one unique and exclusive to its owner. It's not just about owning a web address, it's about owning a digital identity, a brand, and potentially a future storefront in the burgeoning digital economy. And the best part? Once you own an unstoppable domain, it's yours forever. No renewal fees, no risk of censorship. Each domain is unique, like owning a plot of land in the digital universe. Once you own it, it's yours. No renewal fees, no risk of censorship. But why compare it to real estate investment? Well, let's consider this. Much like a prime piece of land in the heart of a bustling city, digital domains can increase in value over time. The reason? These domains are not just mere web addresses, they are unique digital properties that can be transformed into identities and brands. Imagine a world where these domains become the future storefronts in a rapidly expanding digital economy. As more businesses and consumers flock to the digital world, the demand for these domains rises and so does their worth. Just like how the value of a beachfront property or a downtown apartment complex can skyrocket due to location and demand, the same can happen in the digital world. The location here is not a physical one but a digital presence that's unique, memorable, and valuable. They're not just web addresses, they're identities, brands, potentially even future digital storefronts in a growing digital economy. Take, for instance, coffee.crypto. This may seem like just another domain at first glance, but let's consider it a bit more. As the digital market expands, new trends emerge. Suppose coffee-related crypto transactions become a popular trend. In that case, this domain, coffee.crypto, could become a hot commodity. It becomes not just a web address but a brand, an identity, and potentially even a bustling digital storefront for coffee aficionados who also happen to be crypto enthusiasts. As its relevance grows, so does its value. This domain could skyrocket in value, similar to owning a sought-after shop location in the real world. Investing in unstoppable domains also means being a part of the burgeoning decentralized web, a new internet era. This isn't just about acquiring a digital asset, it's about embracing the future and riding the wave of a technological revolution. By investing in blockchain-based domains, you are essentially planting your flag in the world of the decentralized web. This is a world where control is distributed, privacy is enhanced, and the power dynamics of the internet are dramatically shifted. It's a bold new frontier with immense potential for growth and innovation. So when you invest in a domain, remember, you're not just buying a name, you're securing a place in the digital landscape of tomorrow. It's not just about holding a digital asset, it's about being an early participant in a potential digital revolution. Thanks for riding along with us on 4th Industrial Avenue. To stay updated on our tech journeys, hit subscribe and ring the bell. And remember, our insights are educational, not financial advice. Always do your research, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of tech.